Hey guys, it's Ivy, and welcome to the Coupon Camp. And hey guys, I am so happy to be back. I miss you all so much, and I miss doing my videos. So, what you're looking at today is yes, this is the weekly couponing preview, but I just want to show you something because someone asked me where did I get my newspapers from. This right here, these are P&Gs that I paid to have shipped to me. Let's clear that up. You do not pay for P&Gs. You do not pay for coupon inserts. You pay for the shipment and the packing of them, okay? So that's what these are. And they P&Gs. I asked for a certain amount because you guys know I do sell bundles, right? So I'm just going to take one out of here. Now, her name is not on here. It's just an address. It's my address and then it's her address. But I'm going to also leave you that, okay, in the description box. She's on Instagram. So this is the P&G that I had shipped to me, pay for shipping and handling of it, not for the coupon. So let's clear that up. And I'm going to put that to the side because we're going to do some comparisons. Now this, I live in Illinois, south suburbs. This is the Early Bird Sunday Tribune. It always tell us what coupon, how much we got in here. Then we open it up. I'm gonna tell you something, guys. It's a hit or miss. Sometimes if someone haven't gotten to them and cleaned them out of here, then they'll be in here. So like we'll have a Dollar General. So let's put that to the side. Then we'll have we got a smartsource. Then we have a Save Spend Life Happy. I got to get used to that. Then here is the one that came in the paper. And then it's more coupons. See, it's more inserts. Because there's Target, and then there's CVS, and then there's Dollar Tree. So that's what comes in my paper. Okay, so this is the one that I pay for shipping and handling. And these are the one. This is the one that came in my inserts this week. Okay, I do not promote one or the other coupon, fairy, whatever you want to call them, because I've had hit or misses. I've had a P&G insert and they sent me just that it was no laundry coupons in them, or I've had them and they didn't send me anything. And when I got back in touch with them, hey, that's your loss, basically. So I don't promote one. I'll just drop her name because I got my coupons on time and as I ordered them. Okay, so let's get into the inserts today, and let's hurry because you guys know I don't like to make these videos long. So you have the Save. I gotta get used to this name. Save, Spend Life Happy. As always, we always have the Fruities. It's a $3 off of 2, and then you got a $5 off 2. So of course I would try and find a deal for the $5 off 2, and I think that's one of their newer products that's out. It is this one right here. So you might could do that at Walgreens or CVS would probably be the better deal. They all have stacked coupons. Then we have, what is that? We have Centrum. Okay, this Centrum right here, we all know Dollar Tree. Skip that. Dollar General usually had those Centrums for $5, so you'll pay $1 for a pack of bottle of vitamins. And usually if you go to Walmart, you could pay cheap for them also, okay? The Cosamines and Gentle Tears. It is a big coupon for Gentle Tears in Walgreens Digital. You might could stack that and get it for cheap or free. And of course, Family Dollar puts day sales in there, which that's fine. You know, we kind of compare with them also. And it's a big one too, okay? We have a lot of pet food coupons. Save on to these Rachel Ray's. Guys, hold on to them. You usually get good overage at Walmart, okay? Now, let's see, what else do we have? We have the more Centrum vitamins, but those are lower values. So, if you want to use them just on a 5 off 25, that will probably do the better deal for that one. Okay, and then you have the Nexiums. If you could get those ones up at the counter, they be like $2.99. You can pay 99 cents for them. I will see if this Advil works. You guys know I always test and see if the Advil works. And then what else coupon do we have? Oh, that's a good one on that Paradox toothpaste. So you could try that one. That'll make a good stack deal if you really need that toothpaste. Let's see. Let's see if they wasted a lot of newspaper. Let's see. That looked like it was 2 put together. Wow. And what a waste. They wasted all that. I'm ashamed. This place has really been slipping though. They waste newspaper all the time. But let's get to the next. We have a smart source, and the first thing on the front is Glade. Glade is giving us $1 off of plugins. You usually could get a good deal out of that either at Walmart or Dollar General. Oh, and Dollar Tree. Is that Dollar Tree that had the Glade, or was that Airwick that they had? But anyway, it's up in there. You guys know I'll be doing that video this week, so we'll see about that. That usually you could get good deals on these hair touch-ups when you are in a clearance at Dollar General. These are high value Allegras, and that is a great deal right there. So if you need Allegra, grab it. Okay, that's $5 off Aloe Life. I haven't used that as of yet, so I can't really say. Again, high value coupons on any allergy medicine. Okay, allergy again, Unison. Okay, Aspirin cream. You might could get a good deal on Aspirin cream. Now here you go. 2 weeks only on the Icy Hot. Any one Icy Hot product, excluding trial or travel size. Ibotta is giving us back $3 on Icy Hot through Walgreens. So guys, check that. You might could use that coupon and get free or make a money maker. And Gold Bond had a good deal out also, so that'll be good to kind of stack those coupons. Here is cortisone. That'll be a good one. Okay, I gave you a deal yesterday on in my Walgreens coupon and deals of the week for next week. It was on Act and it was on Listerine. Stack those coupons. Those are great coupons. Pay attention to this coupon because Walmart always have these in clearance for like $1.50, so you can get Selsun Blue for free. Yay! Yes, it's here. This is one of our overage coupons right here that we could usually use at Walmart and Dollar General. So just pay attention that is an overage coupon. You would get the ones that's 8 in the box, and they will be $1.99 or $1.98. And here we go with some CoverGirl coupons. Always, you might could go in clearance at Walmart any given time and find those for free using that coupon. Then you have the Blinks, and all of those are on sale, which is still a great deal on those. And what is that? That is batteries. So you know I'll be trying the black batteries at Dollar Tree. Let's see what else. Okay, Balance. I've actually found some Balance at Dollar Tree, so I'll try those. And say these coupons because Target and Walmart and Walgreens have been having a good deal on the Hydro and the Chicks, and those coupons right there make out for great overage or free items. And here we are with some more Dollar Tree coupons. So you got Colgate. Pay attention because with this Colgate right here, you have to use that travel toothbrush. And with this one right here, it's usually on the little bitty squirt out ones in the bottle. And here is the tissue for 75 cents off when you buy 2. That's a good deal. Russell Stovers also, that's a great deal. You can get that free at Dollar Tree. And a Fresh was actually on sale at Walmart about a week ago. Okay, and here is the Spot Save, 55 cents on the toilet cleaner. That's still a good deal. Okay, the St. Joseph. You usually could get that small one. Use this $2 coupon and get those for free. The aspirin. All right, and here it is, which I told you in the Walgreens deals of the week, they would have this 75 cent off coupon. So make sure you grab those other 2 paper coupons that you need in order to complete that deal. Let's get on to P&G. Okay, this is the one that came in my newspaper. As you can see, they're giving you, they say up to $85 in coupons, which is not true because they don't give you the laundry coupons. So here is the Pantenes. I did a deal on Pantene yesterday at Walgreens. You got some good herbal essence. Head and Shoulders is out. Overage alert. Overage alert. This right here, the Crest you will be able to get the Crest at Dollar General on the dollar aisle. The Crest 3D for $1. That's $1 overage. And you'll be able to get the dollar Oral-B toothbrushes for $1. So that's another $1 overage, okay? Okay, what is that? That is new. Nervine? I have to try that and see what is that. I can figure out what that is, okay? Nerve relief it look like. All right, and let me tell you guys, this right here, see that? I got that. That's $3 off. Those were on a great buy deal at Target. So I want to see if they still there. So I'm going to do a Target deal on Monday. Okay. Metamucil, you got Prilosec, and you got the stress relief tabs. Okay. $2 on the Always. You usually could find those at Dollar General and use that coupon and get them for either cheap. You'll get it for cheap, not free. Okay, another alert. See this? You could use this at Dollar Tree, but I will let you guys know, but it was confirmed. I love the buy one, get one free, and you guys know I'm in love with the small spaces, so I will be doing a couple of deals on that, using my overage to bring it down. Also, here's another one, buy one, get one free on the doubles, the twins of the Febreze. Febreze has been real good with us, huh, guys? Giving us tons of freebies. And as you can see, they lied, they said up to 85, so I don't have those coupons. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, this coupon went down to $2. It was $3, and this one is at $3, and that was $4.97. I know for a fact. So if you want to use that at Target or Walmart, that's the deal on the cleanser. $3 off the Elements. I haven't found that as of yet, and I haven't found the softener. Okay, another alert. A freebie alert at Dollar Tree. The Bounty single rolls, that is working on there. And the Sherman single roll tissue is working on that one, okay? Okay, then you got the Swiffer. You got the 2 Crest Mr. Cleans, $1 off any of the clean brooms. Here is the Cascade, and that is another one. Dollar freebie alert at Dollar General, free off the dollar aisle. Try it because some people said it beat for them, okay? And let me see what else. You might have a nice deal going on $1.50 off the Pampers. That is a good deal anyway. The Gillette, if you get that one for $3.96 at Walmart, is buy one, get one free. And these are good. These right here are some deals. The Old Spice is a good deal. It's a deal going on right now with Old Spice. Then you have the $2 off the One Secret. Okay. And you have the Olays, which you might could use this $3 one on moisturizer right here. Now let's look at the laundry detergent. Okay, guys, the laundry detergent, you got a $3 off of a Tide Pod, a $2 off of a pod, and then it go 3 and 2 again. And there is this about 2 weeks ago, these were 96 cents if you bought the small bottle out of Dollar General. Now y'all see that they put game back in the newspaper, back in the P&Gs. It's been out for a long time. Get ready for some good deals on all of these. And you guys know I have been using these on the Bounce in Walmart, okay? But I will let you guys know about those deals. I hope you all enjoyed these videos, guys. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share the channel, guys, so we can get more people to come and watch Ivy's coupon count as usual. I enjoy doing these videos for you all. Bye.